If you want to get 1500 plus on your SAT exam, watch this video till the end because I'm going to share free SAT resources to score high. Hey everyone, I'm Sahib, and in this video I'm going to share some top free SAT resources so that you can boost your score, and I am a gatekeeper. We'll start from the vocabulary resources. You know, a lot of students struggle with learning new words, and to make your foundation stronger, there is one website that will help you. And it's called Magish Vocabulary Flashcards. It's technically made for another test named GRE, but trust me, it's gonna help you learn a lot of new words. Also, some students struggle with memorizing new words, and the app named Quizlet will help you with that. There you can create your own sets, play games, take quizzes, and just make it fun. Also, they've got their own mobile app, so you can download it and play and learn wherever you want. Also, there is one vocab book created by SATashkent that contains a lot of words that were repeated in the past exams. I'll drop a link in the comments below so you can check it later. Well, I have found a lot of resources for this one, and we'll start from the most famous one, Khan Academy. You know, this website is completely free. It contains not only SAT but other subjects too, with free explanation, videos and tests. It has 3 different levels: easy, medium and advanced. If you think you're very good at SAT, then you should go for advanced, but if you're struggling with it, you better go back and build your foundation with easy and medium levels. After completing those levels, you do the level checks till you reach at least 27 out of 30, and that's when your score really starts to jump. Also, you know, there are certain topics like inferences and main ideas, and if you don't really understand those topics, you should better watch the videos in the own categories. However, after completing these, you might run out of the resources, so I've got another one called Crack SAT. It has a bunch of writing, reading and math practice tests. You can also download the practice test, or if you want, just do them on the platform. Basically, take your time to explore new features and old ones, like, you know, there are lots of past paper exams and new digital ones. Moreover, you can use our books for both math and English sections. They include past questions and exam style predictions, organized from easy to hard with answers in the back. Another website you can use is Schoolhouse. There are different courses, and also you can find a study buddy for yourself there, because many people there are mostly teenagers. It's completely free and connects you with high-scoring SAT tutors. While working with teachers, you get tasks, review mistakes together, and even ask extra questions from your own practice. Mind you, all the teachers are selected carefully. You choose the time, like when you want to have a session with them. For example, you will be assigned different tasks by teachers, and after finishing it, you will analyze it with them. The final source is called SoFlow. If your math is weak, it's a perfect site because it mainly focuses on math. So here you can watch free video explanations. It goes through not only SAT but also ACT questions. After the videos, you can just go to the practice tests and solve them. So I have shared all of the websites I have promised to, and I've proven that I'm not a gatekeeper. Also, there is a link in the comments below where you can find all of the links. So if you like this video and want to share it with your calculator, just do it, and see you next time.